Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about contact type logic operations in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft and here I will delete all these commands and we will add new commands. But also if you like to be understand this all how I write this one, so I double click on it, this one. As per you can see, LD is equal greater than or equal D500 and D600 and click it OK. So this command is basically which LD and LD. For example, I will delete this all. After you better understand, we will create the new design. First command, for example, LD, and this command we will write. So how we can write this one? S1 is you can choose that data registers, and also this we will take the data register, and this you have to be give address of the data register. For example, D5 I will take, and this I will take D10, 9, 10, and click it OK, and your command is ready. And next one, output we will choose. For example, out y0 we will choose. So first I explain to you this command. What's the function of this command? LD end. We will go to the help, and here you can see contact logic contact operation. S1 data source device 1, S2 data source device 2. And this operand also he say which devices can be used this command. This will be how you can find in the manual. If we click it on this one, you can go to the direct manual. In explanations, what he say, this instruction compares the content in S1 and S2. He say S1 and S2 compares. If the result is not 0, the continuity of the instruction is enabled. Means if this result is not equal means 0, not 0, the continuity of the instruction is enabled. If the result is 0, the continuity of the instruction is disabled. And also he give the chart here downside. You can see that API number here, which number is 215. LD and instruction in 16-bit instruction, and this is DLD and 32-bit instruction. Means if you put data in 16-bit, after if value will be increased than 16-bit, after this will be not work. And if you like to use the data up to 32-bit, so you have to be use DLD end. I will make also this DLD command for you, and you can see in the function. Here just only we have to be this DLD also. Click it on this DLD, and also you have to be get data from here D, and this also I will choose for D, and here you have to be give the address of your data registers. I will take D15 and D20 and click OK. But before this, use this Y1 we will choose, But before this, using this command, I will show you in the help what he says. For this command also he says, this instruction compares the content in S1 and S2. If the result is not 0, the continuity of the instruction is enabled. Same as this one, result is 0, the continuity of the instruction is disabled. Very simple and easy. We first choose this two instructions and compile first and make it simulation on and write to the PLC. Again we will make the simulation on and again write to the PLC, make it simulation on and put the PLC in run condition. And now as per you see that D0, D5 is also not have value and D10 is also not have value. So our output is disabled. So I will change the present value at the D5. For example, I put K1 for example and click enter, and this result is now still K0, and as we will put the value at the D10, this K1, and as per you can see this the one 0 value 0 or 1 also will be not run, and as this value will be equal, that's why 0 will be energized. And for example I will put it K11, also this is energized. 15, if we put 15, if put also will be energized, and also if we put for 19 will be also energized. As I put 20, that you can see this will be disabled. And as same this also we will check this DLD. This for example change and the present value, I will put that K1, and as per enter is K1 is ready, but our still output is not enabled. And as I put this one D20 at the K1, after you can see this Y1 is now energized. And most important thing I will tell you, this is your 32-bit here D15 DLD, and you can put it here for example 10,000. How much value you like to put, you can put this here value, and instead of this one here you if like to put change present value D5, if you like to put for example 10,000, 100,000, that's he says device input error. Also if I put T32 bits also, if I put that device value, he says error. For example I put 32,000, 32 point sorry, for example 33,000 we will write. So this we have to first write K 33,000. If I put this, you can see this value is going to the minus. This will be not accept because of this is the 16-bit data, and if you like to use this 16-bit data you have to be write in DLD. It's the same command, but this separate I will write only just for you understand how this value we will be put here. For example 56,000 I will put 56,000 I will put, and also you can see this will be enter the value, but I have to be put in 32-bit. You can see this is the 56,000 is now ready. This have to be careful when you like to be use this one, you have to be choose 32-bit data for this one DLD, and LD just instruction, you have to be choose only 16-bit data. So hope guys you will be understand about this LD and DLD instruction, how we can use in the Delta PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.